Hi guys, welcome back to our Texas homestead. It's almost the 4th of July, so I'm going to get some apple pie filling canned up so we can have apple pie for the 4th, because you got to have that. So I got 6 cups of apples, peeled, cored, and cut up into little chunks, sitting in water with a little bit of lemon juice. And then in my pot, I have 7½ cups of water, and to that we're going to add 5 cups of sugar, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then 1½ cups of clear gel. And if you don't have clear gel, you can just leave it out, and then when you go to actually make the pie, just add in some cornstarch to thicken up the pie filling, and then it'll work the same. Apparently you used to be able to can with cornstarch, but now you're not supposed to, so you're supposed to use clear gel, which feels just like cornstarch, so I'm not sure what the difference is. And then we're just going to warm this up until the sugar dissolves and it starts to thicken up from the clear gel. Okay, so it's nice and thick. It's just kind of plops off the spoon. So now we're going to add in 3/4 cup of lemon juice, and you want to use bottled lemon juice because then the acidity is like what it's supposed to be, because if you get just lemons, fresh lemons, and put in there, it might not be the right acidic number or whatever it's supposed to be. So get that all stirred up in there, and then I drained my apples, so we're going to get those in there. And then get that all mixed up together. So this is supposed to make 7 quarts. I find if I make like a deep dish apple pie, I want like 1 quart and 1 pint. And if I use just a regular pie plate, then 1 quart works just fine. So You can either open up 2 quarts and let the kids eat the rest, or do some pints also. So that's all mixed up. I had my jars sitting in hot water while I got that ready. So now we're going to dish it up. You're going to leave an inch to 1.25 inches headspace. And I have a mixture of apples in here. I just get whatever's on sale. So I went to Costco and they had their, I think, Cosmo apples on sale. So I bought those. And then I went to Kroger's and they had, I don't even know what kind they were. Pink Lady maybe? Something in a bag. And it was on sale. So I bought those. And then that's not enough for another quart, so one of the kids gets to have a treat eating that tonight. So we're gonna wipe down our rims. I got a little vinegar on the rag. Just wipe down the top part because they're sticky. Make sure you use new lids. And then finger tight, oh you can't see. Finger tight for the rings. So I got the water bath canner warming up outside, so I'm going to bring these out there and I'll bring you out there in a minute. So the water was already boiling when I got it out here, but it's not enough water, so let me add a little bit more. You want it like 2 inches over the top of the lids. So I also realized I forgot to debubble them, so hopefully they'll be okay. I mean, they'll just have a little air in. So I'm going to let this come back up to a boil, and then I'm going to process them for 25 minutes, turn off the heat, let it sit in the canner for another 10 minutes, and then they can come out. So I'll bring you back then. Okay, so not sure y'all can see, but it's up to a nice boil. So I'm going to put the lid on it and process it for 25 minutes, and then I'll turn the heat off and let it sit for 10 minutes, and then I'll bring you back when I'm ready to take them out. Okay, so it processed for 25 minutes. It's been sitting here for a little more than 10 minutes. But that's what it looks like. Now we can have apple pie for 4th of July. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.